What's up, YouTube? Millerworks Ltd back here, and this is what we're doing today. Dent repair plastic bumper. We're gonna get right into it. So some guys will use boiling water in a kettle or whatever and then dump it over top. I have a heat gun here, and that's what I'm deciding to use rather than go inside, boil water, and come back out, because you might need more than one kettle. So basically, you're just gonna heat the whole area, and then once the area is heated, you're gonna go in from the other side and start pushing it out with your hands. And then when you're dealing with body lines like this, it's good to get like a roller to go in behind as well. So I'm gonna set my phone up and then get started on this. So the Dent's pretty much gone now. After applying a lot of heat to certain areas that were really dented, it'll eventually come out, and then you just roll the backside. So that's pretty much all done. Now I just got to get rid of these scratches and scuff marks. Depending on how severe they are, if they're only light scratches, you'll be able to get it out with a compound buffing solution, and then you can move to a polish. And if they're deeper, you're gonna have to sand and then obviously apply some paint. So I started doing some compound buffing, and I can see there's still a slight little indent right here, and down here you can see a couple of spots from the angle, like right here. So before I finish doing the compounding and then a polish and potentially paint, I'm gonna heat it up again and then try working out these spots. So there you go, dent's all gone, scratches are gone. I'm gonna do one more quick polish on it and then it's ready to go. So that's your easy dent removal process. Thanks for supporting me, and I'll see you on the next video.